What is going on, y'all? This is Wokel Time. All right, so we're back again with another episode of this Bitcoin bull run of 2024 and 2025, and it's going to be a good one. But unfortunately, it looks like Bitcoin's going to a little stall period, so we're gonna have to wait out for that. And let's just go ahead and move to the charts really quickly. So here, really quickly, I know it's been a few days, but I've had some personal time, and so it was a good time, but I'm ready to get back at it. So thinking of taking a trade, I don't think that I would short Bitcoin, and I will let you know that like I said, it's stalled a little bit. Okay, so the top of the support is this downward sloping resistance line. Okay, it is still a higher high in this smaller uptrend. Okay, so as it turns around, okay, you might find that it just turns around and kind of chops around here on the top. If it can manage to get above this resistance, then it will move around here. It might move around here up top for the next few weeks. But I think what is more likely is that it will come down to the bottom of the channel, retest support, find its old high volume node right here at the point of control, most likely 63.2, might come down all the way to 60.5. I think that might be likely. And if you really want to wait out, then I'll come down to the bottom of the channel. But don't wait on it too long, because you will miss the train, and then you won't have your long. So watch out for that. Okay, another thing, the dollar, it's doing extremely well, and that's good because it's an indicator of all markets across the globe. Okay, so the dollar is doing good. That's excellent for Bitcoin. There is an inverse correlation there, but I think that the performance of the dollar doing in a good sense is not bad for Bitcoin. It's only good. There are a lot of reports of nations printing money. Okay, so this is also good for Bitcoin. I think Australia, China is printing money. So that is only going to go into Bitcoin, supporting the argument that we're going to see this bull run, and it's going to be great. Go back to dominance. Okay, so here we are, the Bitcoin dominance. Why is it going up? The past few days, we've had some bad days. Why is it going up? Well, the reason is the Litecoin, the Ethereum, the altcoins, they're shrinking faster than Bitcoin is. Okay, so you're going to see Bitcoin, like I said, kind of go sideways. Okay, it might go sideways. I think in this case, it might come down all the way down to the channel, but you might see it go sideways. All the reason why the dominance is not decreasing so much. Okay, it's going to come up to the top, and I think that is the time when Bitcoin might reach its all-time high. It might take a step to new levels of dominance with its, breaking out of the channel. Not necessarily an all-time high, but you'll see that it breaks out of the channel after it pushes past the support. I'm going to take a look at altcoin. One is Sui. I don't know how it's said. I don't have any myself, but I mentioned in a previous episode, a lot of people are looking at this, and it's going to come down into this channel. Okay, it's stopping right here, but I think that over the next week or two, it'll come down here, bounce around, and just like when the dominance reaches its new all-time high, when the dominance comes up to its new higher level, you'll see that Sui, S-U-I, it will push up. Okay, to recap, Bitcoin is in a bull rally, so we're doing great, but I see a lot of videos of how Bitcoin is going to be in trouble, it's going down. It's not going down, okay? It might, I can't guarantee this, but I'm pretty certain that it's going to come down to the bottom of this channel, okay? It's going to come down to the bottom of this channel, and that is a big downwards move. You could short, but I would not personally short Bitcoin because it's very risky. you're kind of like playing with the devil. You're the devil's advocate to short Bitcoin. Okay. So enter in 60.7, 60.8. If you really want to, 62.8. Okay, right here at the high volume nodes, you'll see it come down and it will start to push up. Okay. So in the previous video, I predicted it would come down to here, but it did not. And I think a similar situation could happen here. It's just a little short. We can draw another line here. But it did get that turnaround, and I should have shown it to you, but I didn't get the chance. It had a line drawn, and it was just exactly what this is. This is arrow up. It reached the top of the channel. So here we are now. Here we are. We've got 3 weeks until the next FOMC meeting. The price tends to increase when those meetings are held. I think in the next couple weeks, you might see it come down a little bit. And then when that meeting hits, when they have that meeting about interest rates and inflation and all that BS, you'll see it turn around and start to go up and go up to the resistance. You'll have at first resistance. It's going to be hard for Bitcoin to push past with no volume, but it's going to build it. So here are 2 tops. There is also resistance and support being made here. So up to this level, chopped around. Okay. As it pushes up here, it gets ever and ever so closer to breakout. And the breakout level is probably going to be around 71, 72. And that's going to be it for the video. I hope you all enjoy these videos. And don't forget to smash the like, comment, and subscribe buttons. I'll see you on the next one. This is Vocal Time signing off. Peace.